Hello everyone, my name is Darren Amintisa and I will be the next reporter of our group. The Marketing Communications Mix. After understanding our target audience and our specific communication objectives, we now need to select a mix of cost-effective communications channel. Most service marketers have access to numerous forms of communication, referred to collectively as the marketing communication mix, or also known as the promotional mix. So, unsa man marketing communication mix. So, this is the combination or tools and strategies a company uses to communicate with its target audience to promote products or services, inform, persuade, and remind customers. Different communication elements have distinctive capabilities relative to the types of messages they can convey and the market segments most likely to be exposed to them. As shown in this figure, the mix includes personal communication, advertising, sales promotion, publicity and public relations, instructional material, and corporate designs. So, makita na to sa illustration, personal communications, under niya kay selling, customer service, training, telemarketing, word of mouth. So, ang key element aning personal selling no kay nag-involve siya og face-to-face interaction by a sales force to make sales and build customer relationship. So, from the word itself, personal communication, so need jud ka makihalubilo or maki-interact personally sa imong target audience. Sunod nga, marketing communications makes advertising. Under sa advertising, broadcast, print, internet, outdoor, and direct mail. So, I guess, familiar naman taning ko advertising. This is very common sa karon nga panahon, makita nato siya sa internet, sa TV, broadcast. So, nga na. And also, sa kanang mga sa print, magazines, billboard. Next is sales promotion. Under sa sales promotion, sampling, coupon, sign-up rebates, gifts, price promotion. So, kaning sa sales promotion, kasagaran ani involved kay kaning mga mga big companies nga nagapasample sila para matry sa ilahang market. Nagakuan po sila mga coupon, mga rewards, and mga discounts para ma-promote lang yun ang ilahang product or service. That way, so, murag ma-entice ang ilang mga customer ba nga para mailhan pa ilang product. And that is one also of the marketing communications mix. Next is publicity and public relations. So, under aning branch or segment is, or under aning mix is press releases or kits, press conference, special events, sponsorship, trade shows or exhibitions, media initiated coverage. So this type of marketing communications mix kay usually ang involved kay kana yung mga dinagko na mga company nga sa Pilipinas atong mahibal di ba? Like kaning mga beverages, energy drinks, or so kadto product siya. Services naman, example Jollibee, McDonald's, Mang Inasal, di ba na siya. Involve ang publicity and public relations gina-incorporate nila sa ilahang marketing communications mix. Next is instructional materials. Under niya, websites, brochure, software, CD-ROM, instruction manual. So, diri services is using instructional materials para makabalo unsaon paggamit sa service. Ang mga customer makabalo sa ilang service unsaon paggamit. So, asa nila ipaagi through website, pwede po brochure, may uban software, CD or ROM. Ang next is instruction manuals. Sa kanang tuang makuha ng mga manuals na guidelines unsaon paggamit pagkuan sa service. Then lastly, corporate designs. So, ang kani kay makita diri ang signage, interior decor, vehicles, equipment, stationery, and uniforms. So, kaning corporate design, this refers to the visual elements of a company's identity para sa mga logo, color, palette, typography, and the overall visual style. So, nganong need man na sa isa ka service or ang corporate designs. So, simple ra kay para dali sila ma-recognize through sa ilang mga visual. So, makita ka na nga logo, ma-identify nimo, mao din na siya. So, lang. Then, kaning sunod nga visual or the figure, kining sunod na figure, kibali mo na siya ang channel or the sources of messages received by a target audience. Makita na to sa babaw na part diri sa upper left side, messages originating within the organizations. Then padulong siya sa production channels sa babaw, dito sa nakababaw. Then sa mukuan siya sa pababa na marketing channels. Then sa ubos sa niya, messages originating from outside the organization. So kuan na kaning direct na ni siya diri ang ihang konektado kay dito na dayon sa word of mouth, blogs, Twitter, and social networks, media coverage. So this kani diri nga part outside sa organization. So ang messages mugikan sa word of mouth, blogs, Twitter, social networks padulong sa audience. So unsa may pasabot aning kaning starting dot kaning pinakasugod. So mo na kibali ang kuan main office or the head of the organization. Garelay siya sa messages padulong sa production channels through dayon padulong sa frontline staff, service outlets, self-service delivery points. Dayon padulong na din siya sa audience. Dili na pud sa baba kaning murag naka-slant siya pa baba, marketing channels. So mo na ni ang kadtong mga strategies nga ginagamit sa isa ka company para mailhan ang ilahang service or product. So through advertising, public relations, direct marketing, sales promotion, personal selling, trade show, or through internet. So I hope na sabtan ra to og klaro. Thank you. So next, communications originate from different sources. As shown in figure 7.6, that traditional communications mix shown in figure 7.7 can also be categorized into two main channels. Those controlled by the organization and those that are not, meaning the outside. Not all communications messages originate from the service provider. Rather, some messages originate from outside the organization. So, mo na tong kadtong mga word of mouth, blogs, Twitter, or sa panang mga kuandra nga outside, involve ang outside para mo relay sa mga messages padulong sa audience. So digdip ta sa advertising, which is it is a marketing communications mix. So as the most dominant form of communication in consumer marketing, advertising is the first point of contact between service marketings and their customers, serving to build awareness, inform, persuade, and remind. It plays a vital role in providing factual information about services and educating customers about product features and capabilities. For instance, a review of 11,540 television ads and the 30,940 newspaper ads found that ads for services were significantly more likely to contain factual information on price, guarantees or warranties, documentation of performance and availability, where, when, and how to acquire products compared to ads for goods. Kung so may example ano yung advertising, no? Madaghan kayo siya, no? Makita na to sa TV, napos siya sa internet. Kabalo naman taan ni tanan no sa ning advertising. So next na ta, public relations. Public relations involves effort to stimulate positive interest in an organization and its products by sending out news releases, holding press conferences, and staging special events, and sponsoring newsworthy activities put on by the third parties. A basic element in PR strategy is the preparation and distribution of press releases, including photos and or videos that feature stories about the company, product, and its employees. Other widely used PR techniques include recognition and reward programs, obtaining testimonial from public figures, community involvement and support, fundraising, and obtaining favorable publicity for the organization through special events and pro bono work. Firms can also win wide exposure through sponsorship of sporting events and other high-profile activities like the Olympics and World Cup for soccer, where banners, decals, and other visual displays provide continuing repetition of the corporate name and symbols. So kani makita po nato ni sa tuang kuano sports nato diri sa Pilipinas pares anang boxing or kaning PBA, di ba? Makita nato sa sa court mismo ang mga sponsor, mga big sponsors, kaning mga Red Horse, mga energy drinks, makita nato na siya dira. Naka-decal siya, nakapilit sa kilid mismo sa court. May uban pa gani nga naadyo siya sa court mismo, nakabutang. So that is a type of public relations strategy or mix. Marketing communication mix. Next nato, direct marketing. This category embraces such tools as mailings, email, and text messaging. These channels offer the potential to send personalized messages to highly targeted micro-segments. Direct strategies will most likely succeed when marketers possesses a detailed database of information about customers and prospects. So kaning direct marketing natakil naman ni sa ato ang other subjects no kasi Romano. Nasabta na to ni na mao jud ni ang kuan kaning type sa mix sa marketing sa promotional mix or marketing communications mix kay need siya og kaning dapat ang info or ang service or ang product is dapat personalized, naka-personalized siya based sa imong target nga customer. Taas ang imuhang success rate sa pag-market if nakuha nimo ang gusto sa imong customers, naka-personalize na siya. Meaning kadtong iya yung gusto mismo sa service. So kailangan yun siya og kaning nakay accurate nga information or data about sa imuhang customer. So next is sales promotion. A useful way of looking at sales promotion is as a communication attached to an incentive. Sales promotion usually are specific to a time period, price, or customer group, sometimes all three. Typically, the objective is to accelerate the purchasing decision or motivate customers to specific service sooner in greater volume with each purchase or more frequently. So kani nga type of marketing communication mix isa ra gyud ang kuan ani no kaning iyang main focus unsa man need niya nga makabaligya makahalin mao nang ni resort sila og promotions could be na diri no mga incentive na ay sa pa discount buy one take one. So nga na I think kabalo naman taan sa ning sales promotion no. And then next sa marketing communications mix personal selling. Interpersonal encounters in which efforts are made to educate customers and promote preferences for a particular brand or product are referred to as personal selling. Many firms, especially those marketing B2B services, maintain a dedicated sales force or employ agents and distributors to undertake personal selling efforts on their behalf. So kaning personal selling kaning nga type nga marketing communications mix kay ang company mismo mag-deploy siya og mga tao no para mo inform sa ilang kuan service para mas direct or ma-personal nila og persuade ang customer. Example ani kay kaning mga agents, mga ahente or kaning mga ginatawag nato nga salesmen. So that is a type of personal selling nga ginagamit sa company. Next, trade shows. In the business-to-business marketplace, trade shows are a popular form of publicity that also includes important personal selling opportunities in many industries. Trade shows stimulate extensive media coverage and offer business customers an opportunity to find out about the latest offerings from a wide area of suppliers in the field. So trade shows, kita na to ni kasagaran asa man na yung mga event nga ginakuha nila no ilang gina-organize para mapopularize ilang service or product kay ano man kay taas ang engagement ana sa customer, magtapok man na sila. Then through that event mahibalan sa mga customers ang ilahang service mas dali. So ingana, that is trade shows. My last topic, messages transmitted through the internet. Advertising on the web allows companies to supplement conventional communications channels at a reasonable cost. However, like any other of the elements of the marketing communications mix, internet advertising should be part of an integrated, well-designed communication strategy. Firms can market through their own websites or through online advertising. So, klaro kayo no sa yung definition, messages transmitted through the internet. So, I guess that is all for my report. Thank you so much for listening. Ang nasabtan rin ninyo guys. Salamat.